Brooklyn Bridge. Recently, I heard about this story and I really find it interesting. So I thought, why not share it? Because it's a story about collaboration and communication. So there was an engineer in 1883, John Rebling, who had a brilliant idea to build a spectacular bridge to connect New York with Long Island. He presented his ideas in front of experts, but they thought that it was impossible because they had never seen that kind of idea manifested before. But John couldn't let go of his vision, and in his mind, he knew that it could be done. He just had to share this idea with someone else. After some time, he was able to convince his son, Washington, who was becoming an engineer, that this bridge could be built. For first time working together, John and Washington, his son, developed the concept of how it's going to build step by overcoming obstacles. They were really excited and enthusiastic. They hired a crew to build this dream bridge. All was going well until a tragic accident happened just after a few months of starting the project. And this accident took life of John, and Washington was paralyzed. After the incident, experts started to criticize again, and they said, "We told you that it's not possible." Even after hearing so many negative comments, handicapped Washington was not discouraged and still had the desire to complete the bridge. One day, as he was lying on his bed, he felt as if a light coming from the window. It's like a message for him not to give up. This gave him an idea. As he could only move his finger, he decided to make best use of it. With time, he slowly developed a code of communication with his wife by just moving his fingers. One day, by movement of his fingers, he asked his wife to call engineers. Using the same method of tapping with finger, he made communication with his wife and told her what to tell engineers to do. It seemed foolish at first, but the project was underway again. For 13 years, Washington tapped out his instructions with his fingers on his wife's arm until the bridge was finally completed. This is the beauty of collaboration. Hey everyone, my name is Isha Khanna. I am a soft skills trainer, behavioral skills trainer, and change management trainer, speaker, and coach. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one of the interesting change management tool, which is World Cafe. World Cafe method is a great tool for collaboration. World Cafe is a unique and powerful method for hosting meaningful conversations in a relaxed, cafe-like atmosphere. It provides a platform for diverse groups of people to come together, share their ideas, and collectively explore solutions to complex challenges. Organizations should use World Cafe for three main reasons. Enhanced collaboration. It enables employees or participants to collaborate effectively. It encourages open dialogue and active listening. The second reason is diverse perspectives. It brings together approaches from different individuals, from different departments, backgrounds, experiences, and this diversity of perspectives can lead to a more comprehensive understanding of issues and a broader range of ideas and solutions. And the third one is engagement and ownership. When employees or stakeholders actively participate in the decision-making process, they feel stronger sense of ownership and commitment to the outcomes is there. Now let's talk about how a World Cafe can be conducted. The number of participants, the number of tables totally depend upon how many questions we have. We will have to carefully choose the questions so that we have good discussion in the end, good results in the end. We will set the number of tables based upon the number of questions we have, because each table would have one question and each table would have a designated host. The host will not be moving anywhere. It will be there since the beginning till the end. And there will be a facilitator who will be ensuring that all these activities happen in a very proper way, and in the end the ideas are presented in a nice way. So let's take an example here. Now there is a host, and there are 6 participants on each table, and there are 4 tables here and 4 questions. So I have given the names as table 1, table 2, table 3, and table 4. The participants on table 1, let's say I have named this group A, this group as B, this group as D, and this group as C. So once the session begins, the host will be will be onboarding the participants on their table. Each table will have a chart paper or a paper tablecloth and a lot of colorful markers and sketch pens, so that whatever ideas they are coming, whatever discussions that are happening, the participants can draw, doodle, or write down their points over there on the paper, and that paper cloth will remain there on the table. So let's say the session begins. A team has discussed all the question or the first question on table 1, and it should take around 20 to 25 minutes. Now they have discussed it properly. Once all the discussion has happened successfully, A group will move to table 2. When A group will move to table 2, only the participants will move. The host will again remain seated on table 1. When A will come to table 2, the B group will move to table D, and D group will move to table C, and C group will move to table 1. Now, the host will onboard the new participants, and he will tell them the discussion that has already happened, the pointers that have been discussed for the purpose of cross-pollination and innovation, and then they would start their discussion, which would take again 20-25 minutes. So for each table, if we take 20-25 minutes, it would take overall the session will take, the discussion itself will take 80-85 minutes. Now, once this will keep on happening till the time each group will come back to their initial table. So like A will come to table 2, then 4, then 3, and then again it will come back to table 1, and that will be their original table. So till that time, till all the participants have been on all the tables, the activity will keep on going. Once the participants have come back to their original table, we can do it in 2 ways. Either the participants collectively with the host and the points that have been discussed over there on the table, the pointers that are mentioned on the table, they will be presenting, they will be giving a presentation to everyone, and the same will happen with all the participants. Or when the participants will go on break, the host of the respective table, with the help of facilitator, will be preparing a presentation to present the ideas discussed on their table. So facilitator can do it as per their convenience or as per it suits to them. So this is the World Cafe method. Principles of World Cafe method. So we need to remember that. First is we need to clarify the context. Second, create a hospitable space for everyone. The third is explore questions that matter, so that in the end we have some relevant information which is useful for our change management purpose. The fourth principle is encourage everyone's contribution. The more ideas, the more the merrier. So make sure that everybody is participating in that. They are sharing their ideas, they are expressing their thoughts and sharing their perspectives. Connect diverse perspectives is the number 5th principle. 6th is the listen together for patterns and insights, so that you would understand that, okay, how people think. If they can get some innovative idea, listen carefully, it also develops their listening skills. Then share the collective discoveries, because in the end we are presenting all the ideas that have been discussed and shared by all the participants. Will be sharing it with the rest of all the other participants. So that these are the 7 principles of World Cafe method. I hope you have understood what I have shared here. This is a very useful change management tool which is very well used by different countries. If Indian organizations, whenever they are going through change, when they use this kind of tool, it's going to be very beneficial for the organization and the leadership team to execute change in the effective way. So thank you very much. If you like my video, do remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on my other social media channels as well. Thank you.